Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings. And today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. And today I want to show you, if you join, Sale-A-Bration is on, and if you join during Sale-A-Bration, again, the starter kit is $99. Let me bring this up. It's $99, and what you get extra from your, in your starter kit if you join is, you get a package of 6x6 paper, designer series paper. This is the package you'll get. It has a little bit of everything that would go with all of the papers in the mini catalog for spring and summer. Look at that. Oh. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, you get 4 sheets of each. You also will get the mini trimmer. It goes to 4 1/4 and about 6 inches. It cuts 6x6 inch paper. And you'll get that. It's a guillotine type trimmer. It's Stampin' Up's little trimmer for travel. Plus, you can choose any stamp set in our catalogs for free. For $99, you get $125 worth of stuff, whatever you want in any of the catalogs or on the clearance rack or whatever. And then for joining, you will also get the mini trimmer, the 6x6 designer series paper pack, the sampler, and you'll get 1 stamp set, and any stamp set you want. I mean, even the, let's see, what's the most expensive stamp set we have here? You can buy that. Let's see, $17.24. Here's one, a Wish for Everything, $39. You could purchase that stamp set for free. You will get it for free. Just put it on your free. 37, Flourishing Phrases. 36, Good Morning Magnolia. So any stamp set, any of these stamp sets or any stamp set in the spring or summer catalog. So now's the chance to join. The information to join is down below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.